morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hope you completed the worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I check with the first question alone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The question is, the distance between two cities is, can anyone stand up and read the question? Yes, Lakshita.
The distance between two cities is 120 kilometers. A car covers the first 70 kilometers at the speed of 70 kilometers per hour and covers the remaining 50 kilometers at the speed of 50 kilometers per hour. How much time does the car take to move from one city to another?
So, this is the problem given. In our design thinking, what we will do? Can anyone say? In our design thinking, we are having 5 steps. Am I right? What's the first step in our design thinking?
Empathize.
Empathy. So, in that, what we will do? Yeah, very good. Problem statement. We will define, write a problem statement. Am I right? So, what's the next step? Can you know that this is your problem statement? So, this is the first step we have given. Okay, what's the next step we have to do? Very good. We have to define. So, how we can do that in this sum? How we can define? I told you, whenever the sum is given, what's the first step you should do?
Formula. Write the formula.
Before that,
Read it well.
read it well. Then you should write the question. You should write the given data. Am I right? You should write the given data. That's the thing defining. Am I right? What's given that we should define that. Usually we will elaborate the problem statement in the define phase. Like that we are going to write the define phase. Given. Rashid, can you stand up? Whatever the data is given there?
120.
Okay. This is equal to 120 kilometers. Then
70 kilometers.
70 kilometers per hour. So speed 70. Very good. 70 kilometers per hour is defining the speed. Very good. 70 kilometers per hour. For the car covers the first 70 kilometers at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour. Okay. Then
50 kilometers per hour.
50 kilometers per hour during the remaining time is covering 50 kilometers per hour. So what it's asked, what the question they are asking?
Ma'am, how much time will it take to?
The problem given is they are asking you to calculate the time taken. Okay. So you should write like this. If you define the problem, it will be easy for you to carry out the remaining phases easily. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Ronnie, can you say the next phase of our design thinking? The first phase is empathy. Second phase is define. The third phase is Kaushik? Idea. Very good. So, the idea phase what we are going to do. Okay. So, in this phase, we are going to write the formula. Okay. Can anyone say the formula for calculating the speed? Yes, Kevacha. Speed equal to?
Distance taken by
Very good. Distance covered by? Yes, Cash. Very good. Time taken. Thank you, ma'am. Both are present. Time taken. So here, what's the thing? It's asked in the sum? Time taken. So we have to bring the time taken to the left hand side. Okay. So if we bring the time taken to the left hand side, what will happen? What's the change that's going to happen in the formula?
Speed will come at the RHS.
Speed will go to the RHS part. Very good. So time taken equal to, see here, if we want time taken if it moves here, speed will come down. Distance covered by speed. So can anyone come and substitute the remaining things alone? Yes? Do anyone? What I have to do? What's the distance covered?
120 kilometers.
120
kilometers.
kilometers. So what's the speed given?
70 kilometers per hour plus 120.
60 minutes. A minute. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So this 120 kilometer divided by
120.
Can I make this 70 plus 50 together?
Yes, ma'am.
120
Kilometer per hour.
divided by 2. A minute.
Yes, ma'am.
2 hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Here 1 hour. Here 1 hour. So totally it's 2 hours. Can you understand that much?
Yes, yes,
1
yes.
hour plus 1 hour is changed to 2
hours.
hours. If I have to add this 70 plus 70 50 kilometer, I have to add for the time taken also. Okay? So 2 will come down. Do anyone have different idea about changing this denominator? Is
Ma'am, it will go to
correct?
numerator. It will go to numerator.
Correct. Okay, then Rashid.
It will go to numerator.
Yes, it will go to numerator. Shreya, do you have other idea of doing this? Then we can proceed. Okay. Yes, Rashid told denominator will go to the numerator first. Okay. 120 kilometer into 2 hour divided by 120 kilometer. Then what will happen next?
Ma'am, 120 into
120 kilometer and 120 kilometer. Can you cancel those things?
2. Ma'am, 240. 240 kilometer.
No, ma. This 120 kilometer is on the numerator side also. 120 kilometer is on the denominator side also. Can you cancel those things?
1.
Yes.
1.
So
1 into 2.
we have to carry out these problems in a very easier way. Okay. Wherever we want to strike it using 2 or 3 table. Okay. Then it will be very easier for you. Here the same number is given with the same unit, so I am cancelling. So 2 hours. What? It's given as 2 hours here, but in your answer in the question paper it's given in minutes. So can we convert this 2 hours into minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
So what can
120 minutes.
120 minutes equal to 120 minutes. This is the answer. Do everyone understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.